Removing backgrounds or isolating objects is a popular image manipulation technique. Change moods, locations, or even prepare product shots for your brand. The 4 subtools in Cutout tool are Shape, Magic, Draw, and Lasso Cutouts. Select Remove to take away areas from the image. The checkered areas indicate transparent areas made with a cutout. Switch back to Keep mode to recover erased details. The most commonly used method would be the Draw Cutout, as it allows for more precision when you paint over areas of an image. Lasso Cutout is another popular method that uses a free-form selection to remove selected areas. Premium users have access to AI Cutout, which auto-detects objects and removes background in one single click, and oftentimes with great results. This AI feature skips complicated cutouts for you and keeps your workflow easier and better. Each method is great for fine-tuning, and you'll likely combine them together to get the best possible results. Give it a try and let us know your favorite cutout method.